Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways you can use YouTube video transcripts for instruction or for studying. First, navigation. I have a photosynthesis video here that is 13 minutes long. And let's say I just want to find the part about respiration. To navigate and open the transcript, you're going to click on the 3 dots underneath the video, open transcript. That will open the transcript along with timestamps on the right hand side. If I do a Control or Command F, I can search for respiration. And here at 1 minute, I find the video talking about respiration. If I click here, notice the timeline. It's automatically going to jump to that part of the video. If I want to find the next mention of respiration, here I am at 7 minutes and 41 seconds. I can click and the video automatically navigates to that part of the video. Use number 2 for transcripts in YouTube is translations. I have my transcript open. Down here at the bottom, it is in English. I can click and toggle and choose a different language. Let's choose Italian. Now my transcript for my video is in Italian. Use number 3 for transcripts in YouTube is to grab the text and use in another app for another purpose. So if I click on the 3 dots, you can toggle the timestamps. That's going to remove the timestamps. I'm going to go back to English here. At the very top of the transcript, I'm going to select all the way to the bottom. I'm going to do Command C or Control C, copy. Here I have a Google Doc open. And I'm going to paste with Command or Control V. Copy the transcript into a Google Doc. As a student, this may be useful to annotate as part of your studying plans. As an instructor, this may be useful as an accommodation for students or selecting parts of the text for your instruction. Sadly, there is no direct download of transcripts on YouTube, so you may have to do a little bit of editing to achieve the result you want. Hope you learned something new about 3 different ways you can use YouTube video transcripts. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and consider subscribing for future videos. Until next time, bye everyone.